Okay, in this video, I'm going to be taking my old gaming setup here, and I'm going to be tearing it away and starting completely fresh to here. Let's begin. Okay, so when is it too soon to completely redo your whole setup? And I think the answer to that is it's completely up to you. I had a perfectly working setup. It looked okay. I mean, it wasn't amazing, but it looked fine. And it worked amazing. Everything was very best practice oriented. I could just sit down, push a button, flip the lights on my phone and start recording. So why am I tearing all this out and starting over? It's only been 4 months, 3 months. You have to see when I started my channel here, but it's worth it. If you're in a creative space, you want your space to be look good just as much as work well. So maybe you're just doing something that's not creative oriented. Function over form is going to be the key there. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, the cables were a complete mess. And even though I tried, I actually put a ton of time in cable management, they were a mess. And you can see that the junk was everywhere. It was piling up because just the way the room was set up just wasn't working. So I purchased another small computer desk to give myself a little more space. And we're gonna try to get these cables cleaned up, get the mess cleaned up, get the computer better oriented, everything, change everything around. Check, 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 check. 1, 2. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, it is the next day IRL, and we're getting it done. Okay, it is looking pretty good. I like the way it's set up, but there is a few things I'd like to be better, and there's a few things that I'm gonna definitely change, and there's a few things I hate. But now we're going down to here. The cables are a mess. Oh, now it's too bright. Now it's too bright. Okay, so what's left is the cable management, and the reason why I set this all back up is to adjust that and make it look a lot better. So hopefully at the end of this video it turned out well. We will see though, won't we? The things I really love are the monitor setups. I never thought I'd like a vertical monitor. I actually love it. And the computer, where the computer is located, you can see right here, and it's to my right, which helps with cable management. All the cables are coming out the same way. Things I don't like are the keyboard and mouse and the cabling up on top. As you can see, it's fine, it's not quite what I want. Okay, it is the next day IRL. Sneak peek in the background. I am done. You ready to see it? Let's hit the B-roll. The few things I'd like to change, the legs where I have the monitors, so the monitors are bolted to the wall and I'm kind of stuck there, so I'd like to move them, but that's a whole thing. I really like actually where they are this way, so I don't know. Second thing, the curved vertical monitor, I think I already talked about that. It's a little weird. I am getting used to it. Third thing, the way this swing arm is now, it's on my right side, so the mic comes in on the right side, and that's also where the mouse is. So this low profile Elgato swing arm for the mic, it actually hits where my mouse is. I gotta figure that out. So to move it over to the left where it was before would be great, but I just need extensions for the USB. So I might do that. Besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video. who knows where it'll be. It's only been 4 months, right? Who knows where this will be in 2, 3, 4 years. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe if you got anything useful out of this or just enjoyed the content. And I will definitely see y'all on the next one. Peace.